Hola, estudiantes. Now that we are a couple weeks into most of your lessons and getting started, I've noticed some common errors and things that a lot of people seem to be struggling with. So I'm going to create some little mini lessons to kind of address some of those things, and hopefully they'll answer some of your questions. The first thing is pronunciation. So you guys all had to do the alphabet, and I made a lot of the same corrections with some of those letters. Again, everyone is a beginner, so I'm not expecting perfection, but there's a lot of things we could definitely all clean up. With your vowels, A, E, I, O, U, when you go to say a word in Spanish, the nice thing about Spanish is that every letter always sounds the same. Unlike in English, like if you think about the word knight, like a knight in shining armor, you have a silent K, you have the IGH thing that gets really complicated. Sometimes G is silent, sometimes it sounds like G, sometimes K's are silent, sometimes it sounds like kit. Spanish is not like that, so that's really helpful. So with your vowel sounds, they are A, E, O, U. And if you're into linguistics, so you want a little extra, those sounds start in the back of your mouth and work their way forward. A, E, O, U. A, E, O, U. Now, once you have that down, those letters always sound that way. The O is especially hard for native English speakers because we're so used to saying O, not like a hard O. A lot of times, like if you think of the word got, G-O-T, it's more of an sound, which in Spanish is the A. So let's go through some of these words because these are ones that a lot of people are mispronouncing. Mañana, which is tomorrow, it's all A's. Mañana. Remember the N with the squiggly or the tilde is a ñ sound. Without it, it would just be manana. Manana. But with it, it's mañana. Mañana. Another word that a lot of people struggled with, you had to say hasta pronto. Really hard for native English speakers to do that hard O with the first O, pronto. Because we're used to saying pronto, pronto. You almost have to like take it deeper. It's a little tough. This word right here, H-A-Y. A lot of you are saying it as hey. It's actually pronounced I. Hay dos aves. There are two birds. Hay cuatro manzanas. There are 4 apples. It's a really handy little word because you can use there is or there are in a lot of contexts. And remember, H's are always silent in Spanish. So it's not hi or hey, it's just I. Like ay. Okay, this I've heard mispronounced a lot. A lot of you are saying Ella and Elos. Remember, your double L makes a Y sound in Spanish. So ella and ellos. And you're going to be using those a lot throughout Spanish. Ella, ellos, ellas. When you have to read the conversations for one of your oral assignments, you have to ask the question, ¿puedes ayudarme? Can you help me, or are you able to help me? This word is really weird. Puedes. It's almost like puedes. Puedes. Most of you are doing pretty good. Miércoles. A lot of you are saying maybe miércoles, but you want to make sure you pronounce that E. Miércoles. And then a lot of you with preparar are saying preparar. Preparar. If it was pre, it would be P-R-I. But since it's an E, it's pray. A-E-O-U. Preparar. Preparar. And you squish it all together. Preparar. So that was some of the most commonly mispronounced words. I hope that helps you a little bit. Practice your vowel sounds. Keep practicing reading things out loud. That's going to be one of the best things for your fluency. Sound words out. You're going to make a lot of mistakes, and that is okay. We are all learning together. So I hope this helped.